Kedarnath and Badrinath are two of the most important Hindu pilgrimages situated in the land of gods, Uttarakhand. Together with Yamunotri and Gangotri, they form the holy Chardham Yatra, which is visited by millions of pilgrims every year. The stories of Kedarnath and Badrinath have been described in Bhagavata Purana and Skanda Purana, but very few pilgrims know about the fascinating stories behind the origin of these temples. So, in today's video, we will tell you something which you might never have heard about Kedarnath and Badrinath. Pandavas, the heroes of Mahabharata, defeated and killed their cousins Kauravas in the war. They wished to atone for the sins of Gotra Hatya and Brahmana Hatya that happened during the war. On the advice of Lord Krishna, they handed over their kingdom and went on search of Lord Shiva to seek his blessings. Lord Shiva was deeply incensed by the death of Kauravas and the dishonesty of Pandavas during the war. Lord Shiva avoided them and assumed the form of a bull and hid in the Garhwal region in Uttarakhand. Pandavas first visited Kashi but couldn't find Lord Shiva, so they moved towards the Garhwal region. After a long search, Bhima saw a bull grazing near Guptakashi and recognized the bull to be Lord Shiva. Bhima caught the bull by its tail and hind legs, but the bull form Shiva disappeared into the grounds of Guptakashi. He was later found in the form of 5 different body parts at 5 different places. The Pandavas went searching for the body parts and found the hump of the bull. Pandavas, along with Draupadi, worshipped the hump, atoning their sins. The place of worship later came to be known as Kedarnath. Kedarnath is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of Lord Shiva. The Pandavas further went to search for the rest of the body parts and found the arms of the bull. The place of worship later came to be known as Tunganath. Do you know that Lord Rama came here to meditate for the guilt he carried for killing Ravana? Such is the legend of this place. Pandavas knew that they were on the right track and moved ahead to find the head of the bull. Arjuna recognized the head and the Pandavas worshipped the head as Nilkant Mahadeva. The place of worship came to be known as Rudranath. On finding the 3 places, Pandavas went ahead to find the stomach of the bull. Yudhishthira offered flowers as the rest of the Pandavas worshipped the place which later came to be known as Madhya Maheshwar. The name translates to the worship of Lord Shiva's navel. Pandavas moved ahead chanting the Shiva Stotram as they found the matted hair of Lord Shiva. They worshipped the matted hair chanting Shiva Stotram. This place of worship later came to be known as Kalpeshwar. Pandavas built shrines at all of these 5 places and worshipped Lord Shiva, thus freeing themselves from the sins they committed. The places came to be known as Panch Kedar, where Lord Shiva is worshipped by all pilgrims. Legend has it that the Pandavas built the temple of Kedarnath and the present temple was established by Adi Shankaracharya, who restored the glory of the shrine in the 8th century AD. After they built the Kedarnath shrine, the Pandavas started their journey to heaven. On reaching heaven, Yudhishthira found that his brothers and wife were in hell despite atoning for their sins at Panch Kedar. Yudhishthira pleaded for their mercy, but Lord Yama conveyed to him that they will join him in heaven when they are free from all their sins. After completing the pilgrimage of Lord Shiva at the Panch Kedar temples, it is an unwritten religious rite to visit Lord Vishnu at the Badrinath temple. According to legend, Vishnu was chastised by sage Narada, who saw Vishnu's consort Lakshmi massaging his feet. Vishnu went to Badrinath to perform austerity, meditating for a long time in Padmasana. During his meditation, Vishnu was unaware of cold weather. Lakshmi, his consort, protected him in the form of the Badri tree. Pleased by the devotion of Lakshmi, Vishnu named the place Badrika Ashram. Hence, goddess Lakshmi was called the Badri Vishal as a large berry or jujube, and Lord Vishnu as Badrinath, husband of Badri. Vishnu in the form of Badrinath is depicted in the temple sitting in the Padmasana posture. Such were the beautiful tales associated with Kedarnath and Badrinath. Hope you enjoyed the stories associated with these famous temples of Char Dham Yatra. You must visit these beautiful shrines at least once in your lifetime. Do share this video with your friends and family, especially with those who are planning their Char Dham Yatra. Until we meet next time, Jai Shri Kedar, Jai Badri Vishal.